staircase loading to bomb truck.
Standby.
Pick up from there. We will load it to bomb truck. Load natin to sa bomb truck. Then ita transfer. After that, we will install it there. The bomb truck is moving now. Moving forward so we can load it. I will swing little swing. The load also is swinging. So the boom truck boom now is moving up so that we can load the staircase. Boom down.
Okay, standby. Hoist down. Up, standby. Swing right, kamay po, swing right. Up, standby. Hoist down.
Baba na natin guys, baba na natin mga kaibigan. Hoist down the load. I can feel it's already
Hoist down.
passing in the boom truck bed. Finally, it's totally loaded on the boom truck.
Up, standby.
Thank you guys.